this is Kiran Vakas, and today I'm going to explain you how to reinstate accounts which are deactivated due to inauthenticity issue. Because you know that as we are using different types of suppliers, and in many cases Amazon demand supply chain documents or invoices or receipts to check the authenticity of your products on and off. So that's why I want to explain you that if you face such type of difficulty and you got inauthenticity complaint, then how you can reinstate such type of accounts, which information you need to gather, and which evidences you need to provide to Amazon that you have sourced the product from that supplier. So which documents you need to collect and how to submit these documents, we will discuss this information in detail. So first of all, I would like to share the notification that you can see on the screen that your Amazon selling account has been deactivated, and it is due to inauthentic complaints. And why is this is happening? Because Amazon has concern that about the authenticity of the items listed at the end of this email, and Amazon needs to ensure that customer can shop with confidence. So restricted categories or counterfeit products are not allowed to sell on Amazon. So you can see that if Amazon says that if you want to reactivate your account, then you need to go to your account health and you need to submit the required information in reactivate my account button. And the product on which the complaint is coming, the brand is Lego and the ASIN is mentioned. So I'm going to open the product first of all. So this is the product on which authenticity complaint comes. So this is the Lego brand, and this is the product on which the authenticity complaint came. So first of all, if we are sourcing the product from any authentic supplier or from the distributor or the wholesaler, we need to log in that supplier online portal first of all. And then we need to show that what we have purchased from that supplier, and we need to submit the required information as well. So first of all, I will sign in the account on where we have purchased the product. So first of all, I'm logged in, and after that I will show you that how to process the product invoices and which information you need to collect. So I'm going to share all the information in a while. All right, I have login the account from which the product has been sourced, and first of all, I would like to open the order history and the detail where we have placed the order of such ASIN. So you can see that I'm going to zoom in first. So that everything will be clear to everyone. So you can see that two purchases are there. And first of all, I will click on the PDF of the invoice, and this is the another PDF. I will click on it, and I will also take the screenshot of this portal to attach with the Amazon. And after that, you can see that I will open the invoice, and you can see that that product is basically I will show you. This product is Lego Super Mario Wigglers. So you can see that the product is in the invoice, and as per Amazon policy, you can hide the pricing, but I will suggest that there is no need to hide anything on your invoice so that it can be shown as legit, and there is no alteration on it. So I will take the screenshot of this portal first of all. Then secondly, I will arrange the invoices, and after that there are some tracking information, so I will click on the detail page and I will see the tracking information over there. I will also take the screenshots of the tracking information and all this portal again. Like I will take the complete screenshot of this portal too, so that I can show that the invoice or the order that is placed already, it's authentic, and as per Amazon criteria for the invoices submission, it must be within the 365 days, and the quantity of the products must match on your invoice with your seller central account. The supplier information must be there on the on your invoice, as well as you can say that the person who purchased the product, whose information also match with the Amazon seller account. So I will also show all these details, and for reference, if I would like to add the ASIN against that product, I can also highlight the product that we have sourced. So in the invoice, you can just highlight the product or you can add the ASIN, but rest of the information must not be altered. But as per Amazon policy, you can hide the pricing, but I will not suggest it or at all. So after taking this portal like screenshots, I will also take the invoice. I will also like add the proof of payment to the supplier, and in the form of bank statement or the card statement through which it is purchased. And after that, I will prepare a file along with a plan of action, in which I will share you how to uh, uh, how to create a plan of action. So first of all, see that you have to say we are really sorry for the inconvenience that may have been caused, and the reason we have failed to provide the acceptable invoices to verify the authenticity is that we source this product. But in this case, you need to alter, because it is a sample. I am going to change the plan of action or appeal as per this account. So these are the acceptable invoices because we have sourced from the authentic supplier. So we need to there is no need to write this reason, but you need to write that we have sourced that product from authentic supplier, and the supplier information you need to write over there, that supplier name you need to write, and supplier contact details, in which you need to provide the address of the supplier, and the phone number of the supplier, and you can say that if there is a fax number, you can also write it, and the email address you can also write it, and lastly you need to provide the website link, which is a necessary part. So you need to provide all this information of the supplier in the appeal, in the plan of action, and then you need to provide that you have provide the authentic supplier invoices, and the things that we have collected, that screenshot of the portal tracking information, screenshots, plus the invoices, and the payment proof. So you need to write that total units, total number of units sourced from the supplier and listed on Amazon account. You also need to write all this information in your plan of action. So first of all, you need to write the action taken. You immediately contacted your supplier, collected all the information, and after that you submitted all the information to Amazon, because you have sourced that product from the authentic supplier. But most of the time, if you have sourced from the authentic supplier, but if you will not gather the information properly and didn't submit that information in a proper way to Amazon, Amazon will not accept even those invoices too. So keep in mind that all the criteria must be meet, and after that Amazon will accept your invoices and documentation. So plan of action is also the necessary part. If you are having letter of authorization, you also need to submit that one along with your invoices, but it's not a compulsory part. Your supplier is basically the verifiable supplier and authentic supplier. If you are having that one, then there is no issue in acceptance of your invoices and all these documents. So first of all, After that, you need to write the steps taken to avoid the future complaints. Write down the link of Amazon anti-counterfeiting policy, in which you can see say that this is the reference, and I am providing a link that I have already read all the policies related to Amazon, and I have provided all the records, and I will also maintain the records to prove the authenticity of the products. And you can see that you can also provide a new supplier link to Amazon, that we are also having a plan of doing a business in different categories, and we are also having authentic suppliers too, from which we will continue our selling. And obviously all these information, if you have provided properly, then Amazon will reinstate your account within few hours. So if you are having any difficulty in drafting the plan of action, then you can contact Alif e-commerce team. We will assist you. Even you can hire our consultancy, so that we can guide you that which document you need to collect, because in every case you need to collect different documents or different types of documents to clear your authenticity. I'm giving the contact information in the given link, and in the description of the video. You can find us from there. Thank you so much for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye.